Hello! Divisibility rule of 5. How do you know if a number is divisible by 5 or before you attempt to divide? Any number that ends with 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. What does that mean? For example, if I have 124, 625, 1720, 323. Each of these numbers are divisible by 5. I don't have to start dividing all of them to see. That'll be a waste. And then when you are simplifying fractions or trying to find a factor, knowing your divisibility will be very helpful. So, is it divisible by 5? No. Why? It does not end with the 0, 5. Is this divisible by 5? Yes, because it ends with a 5, which means when you divide this number, you're going to get a whole number. There will be no remainder, right? Is this divisible by 5? Oh yes, because it ends with a 0. Divisible by 5? No, because it does not end with a 0, 5. So, if a number is going to be divisible by 5, then what's end? It's a 0 or a 5. Okay? So, I want you to tell me which of these numbers are divisible by 5. How many of them? You list them. Thank you.